मैंने टाइम टेबल सेट करो
पावन जरूर नहीं तारो आना पर कोई पीपीटी नहीं ओरली बोलवाना होता है आने डिस्टर्ब ना करें पढ़े तो आना देखो तो तकलीफ करे
On behalf of Government Engineering College Gandhinagar, welcome you all the participants of these two-day national conferences on computer engineering, information technology and communication technology, as well as the conference organized by Biomedical Engineering Department titled Biomedical and Instrumentation Engineering. We have more than 60 participants from all across the state who would be presenting innovative ideas during these 2 days, as well as we have very well-known speakers who would be enlightening the august participants who would be here for the 2 days. We would begin the inaugural ceremony with a prayer prepared by the students of GEC Country.
स्वस्ति न पूषा
invite all the dignitaries to lighten the lamp and mark the formal beginning of this.
It's a pleasure to welcome you all at the occasion of two national conferences. One is a national conference on computer engineering, information and communication technology, and another is national conference on biomedical engineering and instrumentations, organized by 5 departments from our institutions: electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation engineering, IT, computer engineering, and biomedical engineering. I take this opportunity to invite our chief guest, Dr. Narottam Sahu. He is advisor and member secretary, Gujarat Council on Science and Technology. And sir, actually, I am sure that your input regarding the various scheme of Guj Coast for this upcoming researchers, it will be very useful. I welcome you, sir. We have with us Professor A.G. Patil. He is head of the department Electronics and Communication Engineering, Bhagubhai Polytechnic, Bombay. And he is a very eminent scholar in biomedical instrumentation engineering and very well-known innovators. He has received 2 times the award from President of India. And I welcome him as our guest of honor. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. I am affiliated with him since last 25 years when I was in final year students, and I have a chance to interact with him. And I know that the learning I have, and actually we can see the inspirations what we can have from Professor A.G. Patil. I welcome various dignitaries from our collaborative bodies. In fact, actually, in Rigveda last chapters, that is known as a Sanjana Sukta, it says that Sam Vadatvam, Sam Gachatvam, Sambo Manali Chetasam, let us we come together, we work collaboratively to have a progress, have a combined progress. And this is where we are proving true. Government Engineering College, Gandhinagar, Institute for Plasma Research, State Project Facilitation Unit of TechWhip project, and even Commissionerate of Technical Educations. We are working together to organize this workshop, these 2 conferences. I welcome Professor Usha Nilkantan. She is SPFU coordinator, and in fact, I am proud to have teachers like her. She was one of the best teachers I had in my students' career. Madam, I welcome you. We have with us Dr. Suryakant Gupta from Institute of Plasma Research. And in fact, also we had a very good interactions with IPR. And in fact, we are working on many collaborative research projects, the students' reviews and all. Sir, I welcome you. We have Dr. Sadiq Jivani. He is CEO SJVP Hospitals, and our department, Biomedical Instrumentation Department, has interactions since long with him. At the last, actually, I welcome you all participants, and this is very a special day we have today. It's a birth anniversary of Visvesvaraya, and right now that birthday we are celebrating as a Engineers Day. Today is a 49th Engineers Day, and actually, if you look at the life of Visvesvaraya, then he has dedicated his life for societal issues. He has lived long life, up to 102 years, and he has dedicated his life to solve the many issues of related to our Indian society, our nation, and that should be our motto also. As engineers, we have to solve the societal problems. And at the last, actually, we have started the prayers with 2 Santi mantra. So there is another Santi mantra from Rigveda that is called Ano Bhadraha Krato Yantu Viswataha. So let noble thoughts comes from all the directions, and that is the purpose of conferences. So the event like conferences, it provides us opportunities to network with others, to share the knowledge, and we should have an open mind to accept the ideas and knowledge from others. I hope that all our students and fellow researchers will have a very good opportunity to interact with other researchers, gain the knowledge. I welcome you all. Thank you very much for participating in this conference.
Thank you very much, sir. After sir's enlightening oral welcome, let's offer floral welcome to all the dignitaries. I request Professor K.G. Maradia, sir, to offer a bouquet of flower to Dr. Narottam Sahu, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I request Professor Shalini Rankawat. I request Professor J.S. Dobi, sir, to present the bouquet of. Thank you, sir. Professor Amar Rathod to present the bouquet of flower to Dr. Professor S.R. Sanda to present the bouquet of flower to M.D. Desai. Priyanka ma'am to present the bouquet of flower. And Pathak sir to present the bouquet of flower to M.B. Chaudhary sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now I invite Professor K.G. Maradia, convener of this conference and head of the Electronics and Communication Department, to inform the audience and the dignitaries about this conference. Professor K.G.
Our today's Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Narottam Sahu sir from East Coast, Dr. Jigdeep Jiwani sir, Dr. Suryakant Gupta from IPR, our SPFU coordinator, Professor Usha Nilkantan, our principal, Dr. Chetan Bhatt, conference president, Professor M.B. Chaudhary sir, our research train coordinator from IPR, invited guests, researchers, and dear students. There are 2 conferences which were planned under the project TechWheel, under the vision of our Commissioner of Technical Education, Mr. Manish Makar sir. This is a very special day, as our principal said, that this occasion is special one because we are inaugurating this conference on the day of Engineers Day celebration. There are 6 such conferences which were planned in a meeting with the IPR mentors under the guidance and vision of the SPFU and Commissioner of Technical Education. Out of these 6 conferences, this is a 4th one which is being organized jointly by the Government Engineering College, Gandhinagar, Commissioner of Technical Education, SPFU Gujarat State, and it is supported and mentored by our IPR as well as International Automation Society today. This conference is fourth one. 3 conferences have already organized. One was at GC Chamkeda, second one was at the Eli College of Engineering Morbi, third one was at GC Rajkot, and this is fourth conference. There are 2 conferences in parallel. One is National Conference on Computer Information and Communication. The importance of this conference arises from the fact that the tracks and the areas which are chosen for this conference is information and communication technology, computer engineering, biomedical engineering and